Hello, so in this video, let's ask ChatGPT to generate a calculator website by making use of HTTP, CSS, and JavaScript. And let's check if the code given by ChatGPT will work or no. Okay, so let's chat with it. Create a calculate using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, so let's wait for the response it gives. Okay, so as you can see, ChatGPT has generated a code for me. Okay, so let's paste this in our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. Okay, so here I have created three files: HTML, index.html, style.css, and JavaScript. Okay, so let's copy the code from ChatGPT and paste it over here. Okay, so now let's run this HTML code and check if this is working or no. Okay, so you can see it created a wonderful graphics CSS file. Okay, so let's check if this is working. Okay, so you can see it is not working anything. So the chat GPT is not working perfectly fine, but it is giving you a rough idea what all need to be done. Okay, I think so in JavaScript it has made some mistake. Okay, so you can see chat GPT is not perfectly working fine for now.